Music. What a beautiful word. The entire cosmos sings and plays and provides music to our heart, to our soul. But can you hear it? So let's move away from the cosmos. Let's come closer to home. Music is a fabulous tool to learn with. It's a great tool to create wonderful environments. If you notice, every army, when they have 10,000 men battalions marching, they always have a song for them. Why? The music will help them to find the strength to make one more step. The music will encourage them to trust in their abilities. The music will help build their courage. The music will help them feel they can do things they never thought they could. Of course, there's a very specific music for a marching army. But when we're raising our child, there is a music that the child should listen to help the child grow in curiosity, questioning, courage, the ability to be a person of his word. There are music to attract wellness, to encourage health, to attract abundance. There is music for every situation. And our people, our African people across the planet, are more attuned to music than anyone else. We have a music and a dance for every situation in the world. We dance at funerals. We dance and sing at marriages. We dance when we want to teach. Teaching. Music is vital in the classroom if we create the right classroom. Music is important. Helping a woman to deliver a baby. There is special kind of music that the environment can march to or mark around her that will facilitate the baby coming out of the mom. So let's take our music seriously. Let's not listen to just anything that bangs around. Let us choose with care what kind of music we put around our children and the words that go with this music. Let's be mindful to choose carefully the music we listen to according to our purpose. Music has purpose. Enjoy.